welcome back to Scholarship Explore. There are a number of scholarships and fellowships that are currently open you can find on our website. But today's video is about Chevening Fellowship programs that are open to the citizens of Chevening member countries. Chevening offer both scholarships and fellowships at the same time. So we will be talking about fellowship programs that are open to the students. So guys, to know about these fellowship, you have to go on the official page of Chevening, and then here you can see there are two options: scholarships and fellowships. Click on fellowships to know more about these programs. Basically, these programs are offered to the professionals, mid-career professionals, and these are very short programs, short courses to help them improve their leadership skills. So you can go here and find a program that is relevant to you. So you can scroll down. There are two options for you to choose. So either you can search through your country, like choose your country and then select an award. So basically Chevening offer both scholarships and fellowship. You have to choose fellowship. It will give you list of fellowships. To give you an idea, let's go through these fellowship programs. So there is Chevening Africa Media Freedom Fellowship, Chevening Clore Leadership Program, Chevening Energy Market Reform Fellowship, Chevening Healthcare, Health Policy and Health Reform Fellowship, Chevening India Cyber Security Fellowship, and Chevening for Leadership and Excellence, Chevening LSE Fellowship, Chevening Oxford Center for Islamic Studies and Abdullah Fellowship Program, Chevening Research, Science and Innovative Leadership Program. There is Chevening South Asia Journalism Program, and then Chevening Western Balkans Cyber Security Fellowship. So these are the list. Chevening sometimes drop some program and then add few programs, so you have to keep checking the official page. You can search through your country. This will help you to find out which programs are available to you. So let's check out for India. So here are the programs that are open for the Indian citizens. Some of them are open, like Clore Leadership is currently accepting applications, and Chevening Cyber Security Fellowship is open. Chevening for Leadership and Excellence is open. They are accepting applications until 5th November. And South Asia Journalism Fellowship is open for Indian citizens, and Chevening Research, Science and Innovation Leadership Fellowship program is also accepting applications until 10th of October. So those Indian citizens can come here and apply for these programs. So let's check out for Pakistan, which of the fellowship are open for Pakistani citizens. There are two programs that are currently open: Chevening Oxford for Islamic Studies and South Asia Journalism. For one, application is until 5th November and the journalism is 10th October 2024. So for any country you can come here, you can put your country name and then you can choose fellowship and search. It will give you the list of programs open for your country. Even not open, they will give you the list of programs that will be open in the future, so you can get some information and make ready all your documents. So these are the countries. You can just write the name of your country. And so is Chevening also offers scholarship for master's degree, which is currently accepting applications. If you haven't checked that, you can check out the video on our channel. We have a complete video on the application process as well for you. So this is how you can search for these fellowship programs. For Nigeria, there is only one program that is currently open in Chevening Oxford Center for Islamic Studies. So if you click on the program, you can see all the relevant information about the program. So who can apply for this program, what is the structure of the program, what are the benefits that you will get, and what is the eligibility criteria for this program. You can see here, you can click apply. It will take you to the page from where you can register yourself and apply for these programs. So let's check out. So here you can choose your country name. When you choose your country, it will give you a list of the programs that are currently open. So Chevening Scholarship is open for Nigeria, Chevening Center for Islamic Studies Fellowship. One fellowship and one scholarship is currently open. And then for Sri Lanka, there are 2 fellowship programs that are currently accepting applications, and 1 scholarship that is 1-year master's degree. So mid-career journalism is open for Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are the Asian countries for which South Asia Journalism Fellowship is open. So Clore Leadership Program is open for South Africa, and Chevening Scholarship is also open for South Africa. Let's check out for, we already did that, but here you can see 3 of the opportunities are open. One for 1-year master's degree, and then Chevening Sports Center for Islamic Studies, and then South Asia Journalism Fellowship. So you have to choose one of the fellowship which is relevant to you, and you can come here and register your account. We already have the registration process for scholarship. You can check out that video because it's the same as the registration for scholarship.